If it's the first time you're going on a Viking river cruise, let us give you an idea of what you'll experience and what life is like on your Viking ship. The moment you step on board, you'll realize that these ships are very special. They're designed specifically for river cruising, light, airy, and wonderfully spacious, with panoramic windows to make the most of the ever-changing views. And as there are no waves, you won't get seasick. You'll be pleasantly surprised when you check into your comfortable stateroom, all of which have wonderful river views. You'll find ensuite facilities and plenty of storage space. You can spend as much time as you like watching the world go by from one of the many elegant public areas on each ship. Relax on the sun deck. Enjoy a drink in the stylish and spacious lounge, or just read a book in the library. The food on board your Viking cruise ship is exceptional. From a sumptuous breakfast and a delicious lunch to a 5-course dinner, you'll enjoy the finest cuisine. The dress code is casual and comfortable, so there's no need to dress up for dinner. And there's no seating plan. You can sit wherever and with whomever you like. This is what life on board your floating hotel will be like. But unlike a hotel, it's taking you to different places. Places you can explore each time your ship arrives, often mooring right in the heart of a famous city or a quaint little village. Every Viking river cruise offers a great selection of excursions, included in the price. Of course, there's always opportunities to explore on your own. If you're cruising with Viking for the first time, you'll be pleasantly surprised by what's included in the price. All meals on board. We'll even give you complimentary wine, beer, and soft drinks with lunch and dinner. And the price includes a host of fascinating shore excursions, so it's great value for money. We hope this gives you some idea of what to expect on your first Viking river cruise, and we look forward to welcoming you on board.